Touch base with. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, touch base with. This phrase is widely used in both casual and professional conversations, and understanding it can greatly improve your English communication skills. Let's dive in. The phrase, touch base with, is an idiomatic expression. It means to make contact with someone, usually to discuss something briefly or to update each other on a matter. It's often used in the context of business or work, but can also be found in casual conversations. The origin of this phrase comes from baseball, where a player must touch each of the 4 bases to score a run. Using touch base with correctly can make your English sound more natural. Here are some examples. I'll touch base with you next week to discuss the project details. Have you had a chance to touch base with the client about the changes? In each case, the phrase is used to indicate a plan or desire to communicate briefly for updates or information. While touch base with is the most common form, there are variations. For example, let's touch base next week. I need to touch bases with my team. These variations retain the same meaning but can fit different sentence structures or stylistic preferences. When learning this phrase, be careful not to use it in a context that requires detailed or lengthy discussions. It's meant for brief check-ins. Confuse it with similar-sounding phrases that have different meanings. Touch base with is a handy phrase to know in English, perfect for brief updates or check-ins. Remember, it's all about making short contact with someone. We hope this video helps you in your English language journey. Stay tuned for more insightful language learning content.